And moving forward in other local news, Ahata is organizing its 13th consecutive coastal beach cleanup. It isn't only the act of cleaning up that is important in keeping our beaches clean, but it is also the awareness. Let's find out some of the top items found in the areas during these cleanups. It is important to keep the beaches clean. It is a big job that requires every single person to play their role.
There is yearly 650,000 people who participate in the coastal cleanup in 44 states and 19 countries. One of them is Aruba. I would like to thank all the volunteers already who take their time and make a commitment to keep our ocean healthy.
There are specific wastes found more often than others during cleanups. Pay extra attention to the following items and make sure they find their way to the garbage.
I would also like to mention the top 10 items that yearly are found during a coastal cleanup, which are cigarette butts. So everybody who smokes, please take them with you. Food wrappers, beverage bottles, bottle caps, straws, grocery bags, beverage bottles, glass, paper bags, and beverage cans.
Besides, for the act of picking up the garbage on the beaches, bringing awareness is a crucial part of the cleanup.
And we have to realize that this is not only a cleanup, but this is also a chance to educate everybody. Please, if you make use of our beaches, if you live here or if you're a guest on the island, keep our beaches clean. Bring a bag, put your stuff in there, and when you leave, throw it in one of the garbage cans that at this moment are at almost all the beaches.
The Coastal Beach Cleanup takes place November 8th from 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. The last day to register to volunteer is October 22nd, 2014. For more information and to sign up, call 582-2607 or email vanessa@ahata.com.